Welcome. In front of me is a UMIDIGI G5 Tab, and today I will show you how you can put this device into safe mode. So to get started, hold power button and volume up at the same time, which brings up your boot options, and then hold power off. This then automatically begins restarting, and when the device boots back up, it will enter safe mode on its own. So we're gonna let it do that while obviously it's rebooting. And while it's rebooting, I also want to quickly mention that in safe mode, only the pre-installed applications will function, so any app that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled and neither you nor the device can start it up. So be very mindful of that. If you have no problem with your device, you probably don't need to troubleshoot it, as it does limit the usability quite a bit. So you can see we have a watermark right here, safe mode, and if I unlock it, let's see if we have any applications. So there we go, every application on the second page will be up that does not work in this mode. As you can see, it's grayed out and semi-transparent. That's how the apps, or at least on your home screen, will look like, and if you try to open it up, it will give you the pop-up that downloaded apps disabled in safe mode. Now once you're done using safe mode and you want to go back to the normal one, you can again hold either power button, volume up, or click right here on the power button from the menu, from the notification tray or whatever, and you would select to restart. When the device boots back up, it automatically will boot back up into normal mode. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.